So in the Sitefinity Minute, we're going to cover workflows in Sitefinity. So workflows allow your marketing team to set an approval process for every piece of content that's created on your website. Now, once you're in your Sitefinity dashboard, you're going to go to Administration. And as a side note here, if you don't see the Admin tab in your dashboard, then it means you probably don't have admin access to Sitefinity. So you go to Admin, then under System, you're going to select Workflow. Now we already have two workflows set up in here, but I'll show you how to define a new workflow. So go to the button here that says Define a Workflow, and we're first going to name our workflow. So next we're going to define the scope, and this is the page you want to assign your workflow to. So when someone is making edits to this page, it's going to go through the approval process before it's published. Now in this example, we're going to want anyone that's making edits to the Sitefinity Minute page. So you can choose all pages or you can narrow down the page. We're going to select pages and then click on change. Now it's going to default to all pages, so instead we'll select selected pages, and then I'll choose the Sitefinity Minute page for this workflow, and then I'll hit done. Now you can see under the scope here that the page is set, and this will also apply to any child pages too. So next, we're going to define the levels of approval we want. So you could click on Define Levels, and then you can choose between 1 level, 2 levels, or 3 levels of approval for your content workflow. So in this example, we're going to keep it simple with 1 level approval. Now next, we're going to set approvers. So this is the people or group of people that will be taking action of approving the content. And you can select specific users to send it to, but in this example, we're going to set it up by role type. So we're going to select owner. Now we're going to click done, and you can see the level of approvals are all set up. Now in this next section, it's going to allow you to select if you want approvers or administrators to bypass this workflow, and we're going to keep this selected. Now you can also allow users to add a note to the approval. Now here we can see that the workflow is active. So we're going to click on Save Workflow, and now you'll be able to see it listed under your workflows in Sitefinity. And that's the Sitefinity Minute.